Hi friends. Today I'm back with a super interesting, refreshing, and absolutely amazing recipe white heart. We're going to make vanilla iced coffee, which is a favorite of kids and adults both. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends. And press the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Now, let's jump straight into the recipe. Step 1, Coffee base. First, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of instant coffee. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, you can adjust it to your taste. Now whisk it really well with a spoon until the mixture becomes thick, creamy, and fluffy. Step 2, Glass preparation. Take a beautiful serving glass. Add 3 tablespoons of the whipped coffee we just prepared. Step 3, Ice cream and milk. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Pour in chilled fresh milk slowly to fill the glass. Step 4, Topping and decoration. For topping, drizzle some chocolate or coffee syrup on top. You can also sprinkle some chocolate chips or sprinkles for extra decoration sparkles. Final shot. Your creamy, cold, and delicious vanilla iced coffee is ready to enjoy hot beverage snowflake. I hope you loved this recipe. If you did, please